You need to be over the side. Why are you driving off to the side? Mate, but the wheels were straight. No, they're clearly not, are they? The wheels were literally, you turn, just drive, bro.
Mate, that wheel's just locked. Yo, this wheel's just locked. So today we're going to be taking the engine out of this bus. We're going to be putting the engine from this one into Finn's bus here. And then we're going to be taking, I believe that engine's been restored, is it?
Yeah.
We're going to put that restored engine into the blue bus. Do you know what you're doing?
Simple as, nah, not really.
Me either.
So we bought this bus in the US about 2 years ago, and it took a while to get back to the UK. That's my bus that I've had for a few years. I blew the engine up on the way down to Cornwall on holiday.
How did you blow the engine
I
up?
was going a bit fast.
A bit fast.
Yeah. And it was the hottest, when was it? It was 2 years ago. It was the hottest day of the year.
No quicker than the speed limit though.
And no, obviously not.
Yeah.
And I was going too fast on the way to Cornwall with Alfie and Jack. Had to get somebody, spent a lot of time on the side of the motorway, got a mate to pick us up and then take us on a recovery truck to Cornwall, where we stayed in the camper van for the week, which by the way was f***ing freezing.
Yeah.
Because it's literally a baked bean tin. Absolutely f***ing freezing. And then we got it back here, and she's been sitting proud under a cover.
Yeah.
But now's the day. She's gonna get
It smells of sex.
Yeah. busy time.
You want to make sure your engine actually
Just make
works.
sure this engine actually starts before we swap it into my bus.
So do you reckon just pull it straight out without disconnecting anything?
Volkswagen designed it so it's got two grippy handles.
Yeah.
And you fucking yank the engine out.
You just pull it hard?
Yeah, exactly.
Of course it won't come off by hand. Watch it just fall off on me.
Whole engine just smacks you in the
He hasn't happened in 3 years.
Alright.
You see why fucking me?
This is sketch.
No.
Yeah.
And now out.
Well, we're caught in it. Okay.
I'll sit on there. Hold it while I pull it out.
Yeah, go on. Yeah, me. Look at that engine. Right, now what?
You've got really skin. Oh, ready?
Nah, mate, one take. So we've got all these lovely Porsche engines and then just this heap of crap.
Whoa!
You grease the bits that are greasy. I don't just.
Did you get that?
Yeah, I did get that.
What?
It doesn't matter. Yeah, good job. Engine's really spotless. How long did that take?
Well, we managed to clean the whole thing so it's completely spotless, and it only took us 2 hours.
Only 2 hours.
And it's completely not dirty.
Yeah, completely not dirty. Yeah.
That was there.
That was.
You can't see that there.
Don't film that.
Cool. Both should be in the engine room.
The engine to the barrels in that one. That's loads. There's only 4, and only 3 of them were in, and they all 3 were.
You only need one.
All 3 were hand tied.
Guys, the engine needs to go up.
Up.
Far.
Up.
Yeah, up.
No, this bolt's lined up. Gearbox needs to go up, you idiot. Look at the bolts.
Yeah, no, the engine's not above the mounts yet.
Right,
Yeah, they both need to go up.
Yeah, go up to the gearbox. Hold on, leave the engine.
Yeah. The nuts are there on the top thing.
The nuts?
Yeah, the nuts. It's gonna be that hard.
Nah, that was cross-threaded.
Doesn't really matter.
Mate, it was loose on
It
the way.
absolutely does matter.
After
It's
Fynn,
under there. We took it out.
After what?
after Fynn completely messing up the wiring loom, we're done now.
Scotty Farlow, I've got your driving license. Let me get your address.
Yeah.
As I'm starting, yeah?
Oh no.
Pump it, just hold it open.
Yeah, alright.
Ready?
Yeah? Look at that one.
That was so great. Look how smooth it is.
Yeah, well, it's got open there.
What's in here?
Good lord.
So we did start it up and realised when I picked up my hoodie that all of these bolts hold the engine
Into the gearbox.
to the gearbox.
So the gearbox isn't even attached.
Well, what happens is if I use less bolts than Volkswagen engineers, that means I'm more efficient.
Then the engineer.
Yeah.
Yep. That's a good note to end on. I got that on camera.
Well, how close am I? Those, bro.
Whoa! Mate, you were so close.
I thought that was in. Look at that. I gave it a neutral wiggle.
What is that?
Very lucky.
World's worst.
What the?
Such a beautiful paint job.
I will try it with the clutch.
Mate, I swore that was auto.
Yeah.
Knocked it.